to Alter Ego Language Studio. Of course, the usual background is gone. That's because today we are going to have a practical session.
I'm Chanali Vihara.
I am Pujana Pradibana.
I'm going to talk about my daily routine.
I get up at 5 o'clock.
I get up early in the morning.
I eat my breakfast 5:50.
I drink milk sometimes in the morning.
I get dressed at 5:50.
I go to school.
And I go to school 5:35.
At what time you go to school?
I go to school in the morning.
At what time?
6:50.
Okay.
And I learn well.
What is your favorite subject?
Sing.
Okay. What is your second favorite subject?
Maths.
Maths. Okay, very good.
I return home.
And then I wash my body.
Then what do you do?
I eat my lunch.
I have lunch.
I go to class in the afternoon.
I do homework at 7 o'clock.
Sometimes I play cricket
With
or
whom?
netball,
Wow. With whom you play?
badminton.
With whom do you play cricket?
My sister.
With your sister. Okay. You do play cricket?
Then I play with my brother.
I do my homework at 6:30 p.m.
Okay. Until what time do you do your homework? From 6:30 to
8.
8.
Yes.
I have dinner at 8 o'clock.
I take my dinner at 8:15 or 8:30.
I watch TV at 9 o'clock.
And watch my favorite drama,
What is that?
Office Cleaning.
And then I sleep 9:30.
And I brush my teeth
And go to sleep.
and go to sleep at 9 p.m.
Now these two kids talked about their daily routines without any prior preparation. Now even you can try out this simple speaking activity with your kids at home. Simple present tense. Can videos for the links in the description. So always encourage your kids to speaking English, and that will enhance their speaking ability in no time. So see you soon with another English lesson. Until then, practice your English. Bye.